Hey guys, how you doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Age Technology Projection Screens using Smart Technology Gain, showing you how amazing our screens are. We don't have to have our screens submerged in the darkness in order to be able to watch our screens. You don't have to worry about using overpowered projectors. 4,000 lumens and up. We're using the strongest projector I'm using right here is a ViewSonic short throw at 3,200 lumens. If you're curious to see this screen on a 200 lumen Brookstone projector at 9 feet back, we also have it on 2,500 lumens at 19 to 25 feet back. And we also have it at 11 feet back at 100 inches. This screen right here is 96 inches high, 154 inches wide. Now we do have those demonstrations. You can see the screen indoor and outdoor. You can see the screen's durability of being scrubbed with a fork and a pot scrubber, showing that the screen does not crack or peel. If you care to see those amazing demonstrations, please look at the bottom of the comment section. You will see a list of links to the screen's technology capability. Now, as you can see, I can do this demonstration in a fully lit environment. We'll go back here a minute. You can do this in a fully lit environment. We don't have to worry about our screen washing out. We don't have to worry about it becoming faded. And we don't have to be stuck in the dark. Look at that. This is how amazing these screens are. And like I said, there's a lot of people out there that'll, we have people who make these weird comments about don't pay for hundreds, don't pay hundreds, but yet their screens are submerged in complete darkness, showing you that you will have to be in a dark environment just to use their screens or some poorly lit environment. And as you can see by my environment, very well lit, we don't have to be subjected to that kind of nonsense. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Age Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Thank you all for watching.